Let me show you what's in your On the Glow lip collection. It comes in this color-coded pouch, and inside you're going to find a lip stain and a clear glaze, and then also a glow cream according to your color code. So let me just show you the different things that you can do with those three products. So we're going to start with the glow cream. This is a lip and cheek, but you can also use it on the eyes. You're just going to warm it up with your finger tip, and you just kind of pat it right on your cheekbone, and it's buildable, so you can add as much as you want. Like I said, you could also put it on your eyelid, and it's great for your lips. So then you could use that clear glaze and go on top of that lip if you want. Now let me show you the lip stain. So you're going to want to paint this on. It is a long wear, doesn't transfer. You're going to make an X right here at your Cupid's bow. Then paint your lip. All right, don't rub your lips together. Just keep it like that. Takes several minutes to dry. When it dries, it's there for good. It's not going to come off until you take it off with some kind of oil cleanser, or like in coconut oil or something like that. It's great to have it just like that. But if you want to add a little bit of shine to it, then you could go ahead and take that clear glaze. I usually put a little bit on my fingertip so that I don't get any color inside the tube, and just tap that right there in the center, and then there you go. Then you've got all these different ways that you can use these products just to kind of get a fresh look. Another idea that I have is that you can just pop all of these things into a hard eyeglass case for travel. There you go. Enjoy. Until next time. Bye-bye.